Newspaper ain't any waste. How? Stay tuned to see. Hello everyone. Today we are going to make this cute DIY. All we need is newspaper, some colored papers, craft paper, needle. Instead of needle you can also use a stick and some glue. So let's get started. First of all, roll the newspaper with the help of needle from one corner. See that you roll the paper very tightly and properly. No wrinkles should occur while rolling the paper. Also, make sure that you pull the needle from one end while rolling the newspaper. If you don't pull the needle will get stuck into the newspaper. After complete rolling of the newspaper, glue it to secure it. We need some more sticks. Make some 12 sticks and color it with black paint. You can use any of the colors. Also, you can color the stick with spray paints. Arrange the sticks horizontally and vertically. You can change the spacing between them. Also, make it larger or smaller. Glue the sticks together. This mesh-like structure will form. Now it's the turn of flowers and leaves. Use these kind of color papers. For flowers you need square papers and for leaves you need rectangular ones. The dimensions are 8 by 8, 6 by 6 centimeter for flowers and 8 by 5 centimeter for leaves. For flowers, take the square paper and fold it diagonally so that you get a triangle. Do the same thing twice. You get this kind of shape. Secure the folds so that the paper doesn't open. Mark the shape of the petal. You can use any of the shape over here. I have used these kind of shape. Cut it properly with the help of scissors. After opening, you will get this kind of shape. Do same with other papers. Now make a cut till the center and place the two adjacent petals on one another and glue it. Keep in mind you have to give a cut only till the center. After gluing it, you will get some bent shape of the flower. Now glue both of the papers so that you get a flower with more petals. A dense flower looks very beautiful. Do the same with the rest of the flowers. Sticking it like this gives it a more flowery effect. The flowers will look like this. For leaves, take the rectangular paper 8 by 5 cm dimensions, fold it from the center, draw the shape of the leaves. You can draw any of the leaf shape you are comfortable with. And cut it using scissors. I have made these kind of shapes. They look beautiful. To make the flowers look more beautiful, I am sticking a moti in the center. You can skip this, but it really looks very beautiful. I have made other flowers and also some leaves of light green color. These colors are too vibrant, so it is going to look more beautiful when we stick up all together. Now this is the mesh that we have prepared earlier. Take a craft paper and roll it into a cone. Secure the cone with the help of glue. Now cut the upper portion of the cone, the triangular part of the cone, upper triangular part. So we have got a perfect cone shaped paper. We have all the materials ready. Place all the materials on the mesh as per your wish. And secure all of them with the help of glue. All the materials are going to end out very pretty. I have changed some of the colors and also the arrangement that I had shown you earlier. You can add many more stuff to look it more beautiful. Colors are completely choosable. It looks very beautiful. Thank you for watching.